Hi friends, this is Supal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, you know that I am a government teacher and my posting place is Government Middle School Rajpuri Kala, Block Lakhanpur District Sarguja. There are, if I talk about my school's children's enrollment, then there are 75 students in our school. There are 8 teachers in my school. Uh, Miss Mrs. Jagriti Srivastav ma'am is our headmaster, and I'm an English teacher, so I have to teach English. I have to teach English, only teach class 6 to 8, and I I am I am dedicated to my goal that from now on I committed that 3 years, exact 3 years. 3 years means 2020, 4, 5, 6, 2026 month. In the month of October, I have to speak TEDx song, English speech. I am 100% sure. For this, I have to dedicate my English journey. And guys, I will tell you one more thing, that there is nothing is impossible. If you want to success in your life, then you have to do a lot of hard work. Without hard work, not you, neither I nor you, no one can get success in your life. Guys, you know that I'm a government teacher. So first of all, I would like to tell you my childhood story. Guys, in my childhood, I am not good in studies. I was not good in studies. I used to play with dirty children. My parents had no restrictions on me because my mother and father both both were illiterate. They didn't know how to upbringing their child. And I'm I'm a only I was a only I'm a only son of my parents. If I talk about my uh, childhood, then I remember that I I used to survive in just pant and shorts. I used to survive in just pant and shorts for whole year. I used to survive in just pant and shorts for whole year. I also remember that I never ever went to school for 6 consecutive days in a week because my my parents don't know not know to this. And my yeah and I remember that, and it was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree to pluck tamarind in the afternoon in the backyard of my house. There was a mango tree next to the tamarind tree. He tried to pluck mangoes along with the tamarind. Due to this effort, he lost his balance and fell on the ground, due to which he went into coma, and he was admitted to the district hospital Ambikapur for treatment. But seeing his condition, the doctor has referred him to Bhilai. He was stayed there for about 8 to 10 days, but there was no improvement in his condition, and he became disabled forever. I will tell you guys, in those days we were very poor. We have lack of money, so we did not could there for the treatment. and except my father, there was no else which could do farming work ex- except me, except me. So I had to do, guys, I had to do farming. So forcefully, in those days, I am only 14 to 15 years old, because at that time I I was reading class 7th. I remember that 7th. So forcefully I had to do farming, and I had to do farming, and I had to do farming. Yes, yes, yes. And I used to survive in just. I used to. I I I used to study in school, and at the same time plow fields for half an hour. Yeah, that's it. And that's it. And guys, you know that I'm a government teacher, and to being a teacher, I would like to and in Chhattisgarh, sir, at Sarguja district. So I would like to highlight to current condition to government school. If I talk about government school condition, then children are in government school. Children are only taught to read and write, but they are not taught to speak English. I believe that children should be speak English along with reading and writing, because English is very essential part in our life. There are four. There are four skills to learn any language in this world. These are called LSRW. But but the three of them, but the three of them, but the three of them, speaking skills is very essential. Without speaking, neither I nor you nor anyone can else get success in their life. So, guys, it's very important. So, without further delay, I would like to say that thank you very much. Have a good day. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.